Good evening, everybody. So today I'm ordering this slightly newer item from a restaurant called Fat Lulu's. Now I believe they have a presence in most parts of Delhi and of course most parts of Gurgaon as well. From my research, I don't think they're in other parts of the country yet. Now, these are chicken bang bang fries. Now, I know they don't look like fries from any angle, but supposedly these are bites of chicken and then some bites of potatoes, and they all come together. They're fried and they all come together and drizzled with what I'm hoping is, I do see chipotle, but I'm hoping that the white one is cheese and not mayo, because if it's mayo, then I don't know why restaurants even bother. Now these aren't cheap. These come in at about 375 bucks, and while ordering them, I kind of thought that's quite expensive. But seeing the quantity, they're kind of heavy. This must be about 400 odd grams, and seeing the quantity, it's kind of justifiable. This is definitely a two-person dish easily. Now I'll get you a look of that. We do see quite a few pieces. Thankfully, it's all boneless. They are bites. Um, Probably slightly larger versions of KFC's chicken popcorn, maybe. I'm not sure about the taste though. Standard fried dish, so it's not very healthy, but it is what it is. So, without any further ado, let's dig in and I'll tell you how it is. Got my trusty fork here. So, let's try and pick a piece. And we're praying internally that this is not mayo. But let's see. In fact, very crispy on the outside, fairly soft on the inside. So fresh quality chicken, and very much like, in fact, exactly larger versions of KFC's chicken popcorn. So this is a large version of that, more expensive version of it, but good quantity, very crispy chicken. That's great. Very tender on the inside. That's also great. I have not yet figured out the mayo mystery though, so let's try and take a mayo-ish bite and then I'll tell you whether it's mayo or cheese. This time too I got the chicken part, not potatoes, so that's good that the chicken in high quantity. This in fact though is mayonnaise, and I'm feeling already very sad about that. I don't know why restaurants bother. This should be stopped and banned. This is horrible that they add mayonnaise. I'd rather they didn't add anything or just add more of chipotle. I don't need my food to be colorful. I need it to be mayo free. But it is what it is. But I'll tell you what, the quantity is great. The chicken pieces are very succulent, and I've actually not yet come across a potato part. It's kind of pretty well loaded with the chicken aspect. The chicken, I'll tell you something. The pieces from outside, they're seasoned with the thyme or oregano or something on those lines, and it's giving it a very very that masala is very on point, which is something which is great. Uh, so that's for the dish overall. In terms of FT scores, we're going to go with a healthy score of about 7.5 on 10. I'm liberally deducting 1.5 for the mayonnaise alone, because given how expensive this is, I mean at 375 plus tax. Although on Swiggy I got it for around 230, 240 with some discounts. But with that being said, at a dish price at 375 MRP, you have no business adding mayonnaise. It's a sin, it's criminal, and it's a big problem. But overall, it's a great dish, and I think great for starters. Something like this, when you're bored of chicken tikkas and tandoori tikkas and all, something like this is very good to munch on in the evenings, I think. So, thank you all for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one.